Guys, this video is about the basic boxing footwork, especially for the beginners. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. But if you want to move forward, you should always step first with your front foot and then your back foot will follow it. If you want to move towards back, step first with your back foot and then your front foot will follow it. Guys, there are some tips that you guys must remember. The first one is whenever you move forward, make sure to land on the forefoot and not on the heel. And guys, another thing, if you move 8 inches with your front foot, then you should move 8 inches with your back foot. Don't move 8 inches with your front foot and then 2 or 10 inches with your back foot, because you guys must keep the same distance in between your feet at all times if you want to maintain the balance. And guys, remember, you should always imagine a center line between your both feet. Your one foot should be on the one side of the line and the other foot should be on the other side of the line. Another common mistake is the both foot on the same line. In this way, you will be off balance, and if someone push you, you are going to fall. So guys, these are the best tips for you guys. And another tip is your feet should never cross like this or like this. That's totally wrong. So whenever you move forward, step first with your front foot and move backward, step first with your back foot. Same is the case for the side to side movement. If you want to move towards your left, step first with your left foot and then your right foot will follow it. If you want to move towards your right, step first with your right foot and then your left foot will follow it. So guys, these are the most important tips for the basic boxing footwork. Guys, now we will learn how to move and punch at the same time. Guys, for instance, if I throw that jab, I have to step forward with my front foot and throw that jab. Now there is an important tip. Guys, remember, your punch and foot should land at the same time. Don't just step forward and then punch, because if you step forward and don't punch, your opponent can hit you. Same is the case. If I throw that jab and throwing that right cross, again I have to step forward with my back foot. So guys, let me show you how to do it. See guys, first I step forward with my front foot and throw that jab, then I step forward with the back foot and throw that right cross. In this way we punch and move at the same time. Same is the case, if I want to move towards the left, I will throw that jab and move towards left and throw that right cross, and see, my punch and my foot land at the same time. In this way we punch and move at the same time. So guys, remember, practice it every time. Don't start fast, start slow. Once you get comfortable with it, once you get used to it, then you can speed it up. Guys, start like this: jab, cross. While moving left, jab, cross. While moving right, this time we will throw the right cross first. Cross, jab, cross, jab. So guys, this is the proper method how to move and punch at the same time. Guys, we must improve our footwork, because this is where everything starts. If we don't have good footwork, then how we will punch, how we will defend ourselves. Even the balance is associated with a better footwork. So good footwork is the base of everything. So remember to practice these all footwork techniques to improve your balance and coordination in the ring if you want to become a better and efficient boxer. Guys, that was all for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am gonna come with the best videos possible for you guys to develop and improve your boxing skills. See you soon in the coming video. God bless.